Good evening students. Today we will learn brain teaser's problem that is based on 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So brain teaser's question number 2, this is different type, that is why I am explaining. It is given here, subtraction is given and we have to fill this box. So see carefully. 4 minus 5, what will come? So 4 is not possible, subtraction. It means we have borrowed from here. Borrowed from here means already here 0 given and 1 given, means what is possible here, and 1 borrowed from here, it means here 2 will come. So that 1 we will give there, so it will become 14. So 14 minus 5, this will be 9. This is 14 minus 5, 9, and 1 borrowed from here, so 1 left, 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus what is equal to 2, so obviously here 6 will come, and here 0 minus 2 means this will become 8, we have to bring this, it means it will be 10. So this will become 10, means borrowed from here, 1 borrowed from here, so 10 minus 2, this is already given. So here what will come? So that answer should be 4 and 1 borrowed also there. So think over that, what we can write. If I write here 9, so 9 if I write, then it will become 1 given to them, this 8 minus 5 not possible. So this will be 0. 0 means when we will borrow from here, then it will become 10, and 10 from here 1 then carried, then this will become 10. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 5, 4. Once again you see, if I write here 0 and borrowed from here, then it will become 10. And 10 after cutting 9, and 9 minus 5, 4. And then this will become 10 minus 2, 8. So here 0 will come. Now this is 1 given, so this is 3. What left? Given to 1, so this is 3. So we will borrow from here 1, this is 13. 13 minus 8, now this become 8. 13 minus 8, this will be 5. And 8 minus 3, this will be 5. So such type question, solve carefully. Now other problem, question number 3 is given, find the product. So that product, that is very easy. You will multiply 1 you solve. Question number 4 is divide is given. So this divide means you will divide, you know the procedure. Question number 5, subtract this from the sum of this and this, means this and this you will add and then you will subtract this. This will be subtracted from the sum of this, means these two you add and from the result you subtract this one. Question number 6, the total number of men, women and children in the state is this given. The number of men is this and that of women is this. Find the number of children. So first of all you add this number of men and women, and the sum of these two you subtract from the total population. Rest will be number of children. Question number 7, a dealer purchased this washing machine. If the cost of one washing machine is this, find the cost of the purchased washing machine. Means this is 9,825 is the cost of one, and you have to find the cost of 285 washing machine. So it means you will multiply. And question number 8, 9 and 10 I am leaving for you. If you have any doubt, you will ask me. Okay.